Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're speaking with one of our funded prediction market traders who has recently received their first payout with Lux Trading Firm. We'll be talking about how they got started, what attracted them to prediction markets, their experience using the platform, the strategy that helped them succeed, and what it felt like to receive that first payout. So, first of all, congratulations on your first payout. To kick things off, could you introduce yourself briefly and tell us how long you've been trading in the Lux prediction market?
Hi, I'm Radwan from Pakistan. I have been trading in financial market for about 3 years, but I switched over to prediction market recently with $10,000 prediction market challenge from Lux Trading Firm.
Why did you decide to try the Lux prediction market?
I like the idea that I don't need to spend hours analyze charts. Instead, I could use my understanding of economics, politics, and upcoming real world events to make informed prediction. Also, this prediction market idea is new in the trading sector. That's why I wanted to try this.
How was your experience using the platform?
The platform was easy to understand and placing prediction was straightforward. I appreciated that everything was transparent and simple to follow.
What strategy worked best for you?
Actually, I focused on markets. I understood best instead of trying to predict everything. I followed the news, managed my risk, and stayed patient instead of chasing every opportunity. Uh, Also, Lux makes the platform rules easy to follow, and based on that, you don't risk too much. Also, you can break the rules. Otherwise, there will pop up not letting you take the trade and tell you why not.
Congratulations on your first payout. Tell us a little bit about it.
Oh, thank you. It feels great. I can honestly say the process was smooth. Once I reached the funded stage, I had to trade for 10 days to get my first payout. On 12th day, I requested my first payout, which has reached my wallet on the same day.
What would you say to someone thinking about joining?
Yeah, the opportunity is real, and I would definitely recommend it giving a try. And you don't have to be an expert chart trader to perform well, because we already follow various real world events in our daily life. Why you would not use that knowledge and monetize it? Also, Lux offers a free trial, so everybody can first test how this prediction market works and how the dashboard looks and study the tutorial videos.
Will you continue trading on the platform?
Definitely. My experience has been positive from start to finish. Getting my first payout has motivated me even more, and I am also looking forward to improving my result over the time.
Thank you so much for taking the time to share your experience with us, and congratulations once again on reaching your first payout. We really appreciate you giving everyone an insight into your journey. To everyone watching, if you'd like to experience the Lux prediction market for yourself, you can start with the free trial, explore the platform, and see how it works before taking on a challenge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one.